Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. In this video, we are going to see what are the health issues that people will come to know or people should watch out for during this lunar eclipse and solar eclipse of 2020. This eclipse is happening in the axis of Taurus and Scorpio, and let us see what things could unfold. For those of you who have dominant Rohini Nakshatra, for those of you who have dominant Jyeshtha Nakshatra, please watch this video carefully because eclipse is happening in these two nakshatras and hence you will notice certain effects. The health issues typically will be highlighted are any problems or issues related to women's menstrual system. If you have irregular menses, if you have excessive pain or bleeding during the menses, make sure you go and seek doctor's opinion before the eclipse. People who have issues with sugar, they should always be careful around eclipse because due to emotional changes, people will tend to make use of sweets or any addictions should be kept in check. Rohini and Jyeshtha, both nakshatras deal with sexual behaviors of human beings and hence any issues coming out of multiple partners should be watched out carefully. If these conditions are pre-existing, make sure they are maintained and managed. Some of you may discover these situations or some of you might notice these themes playing in your life. Issues related to throat or voice cords, thyroid, they can also come into light during these time frames. If you have pain related to sciatica, watch out for that. Be prepared to treat it in advance because that is another theme that might be playing out during the lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. People who have Jyeshtha Nakshatra in their horoscope with active planets, they might notice, if you are a woman, you will notice issues related to ovaries as well as your breasts. Be careful about it. If there are any malefics present, if you are already going through the treatment for that, just be watchful and take care of it in advance. All the new moms, expecting moms, take care of your health, see your doctor on time and be in touch with your doctor. Anything that you notice which is not normal for a pregnant woman, you should report it to the doctor and take care of it. Birth during eclipse is not a bad thing. That is a very karmic situation and kids are born on that day for a particular reason. So don't be afraid of it. As far as watching the eclipse, I would suggest do not watch solar eclipse because it is known to create issues related to eyes and people may have certain difficulties later. Those of you who want to watch eclipse, solar eclipse, irrespective of whatever your beliefs are, take proper precaution and then watch it. You get special goggles to watch the eclipse, use those goggles to watch solar eclipse. Jyeshtha Nakshatra is also known to have troubles with ears. You can also have trouble with your stomach. So be careful, and if the conditions related to these body parts are already pre-existing, you should be looking after them in advance. People are still going through the pandemic of corona infections, so take all care. Use masks when you go out. Avoid going in the places where there are more people or mobs are present. Follow social distancing and as far as possible you can stay inside. Hope this helps. Knowing things in advance, working on or taking care of issues that are already present will help you regain the peace of mind and going through the eclipse will be easy. For those of you who have already scheduled surgeries during this time frame, it is okay to go through with those surgeries. Usually doctors and anybody who deals with X-ray, MRI and all, they are known to deal with these eclipse energies. So if you have already planned a surgery, go ahead with it. If you are thinking about planning a surgery now or henceforth, If it can wait, let it wait. And as far as any emergency situation which cannot wait, you have to go through it. You can pray to your Kuladaivat, say Om Namah Shivaya, or anything, any japa, any mantra chanting that you believe, and do it. Take all precaution, take all care, and eclipses are regular natural phenomena, so one should not be afraid of them. Just be polite and channel your energies towards the betterment of humankind. Hope this helps. Please like this video, please share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel. Namaste. Thank you. Shubhamastu.